Yeah, I'm going swimming in a shark tank with open wounds. Triple nobles and they teaching me the golden rules. In the studio I'm living off of frozen food. Need a boost, so I stick a knife up in an open fuse. Shit, I just need a second recollecting thoughts. The sun is shining even when we all expect a fog. Tomorrow never knows, turning on the television and they try to sell you hope. Looking through my telescope and I don't see no God or anyone above me. Truth is that he's in your pocket and his name is money. Controlling every move and every step that you take, man. Forget about the church and start confessing in the bank, shit. Yeah, I just wanna be somebody useful. Gather up an army, be the leader of the new school. I ain't planning on stopping till I got nothing to do with everything to lose. Time flies too soon. Gotta catch it and question where it was going, man. It always try to slip away without you ever knowing. Now it's too late. Yesterday is packed up in a suitcase. Tomorrow don't exist when you only got today. Sipping tea and then I'm jotting in my notebook. Got too many bars, too many songs without no hooks. Walk around in the garden, smell the rose bush, breathing in the air, reset.
What is up, guys? So we are back on the Bug-Eye WRX Skylar 2.0, whatever you want to call her. Today we got the CV shafts just disconnected from the hubs. We got the downpipe off, mid pipe off. Got a 3-inch straight pipe all the way down. That's gonna be listed for sale soon, so drop in the comments if you're interested. If not, it's gonna be on Facebook also. What we still have left to do over here is we have to disconnect these fuel lines. We have to disconnect the heater core hoses, disconnect the training from the engine. I might pull them together, I'm not sure yet. We have to disconnect all of these lines. ABS modules getting relocated to the trunk. The fuse box getting relocated to the trunk that's already disconnected, because under that battery tray I have a hole of rust right there. So this is getting tubs. But yeah, we're looking like sometime this week the engine should be out. All I really got to do is pull the drive shaft out, unhook a couple things, and then pull the engine and training together. We also pulled the trunk liner out. I decided no interior on this. It's gonna get a cage. So the only interior is gonna be the dashboard, maybe the center trim cut right there, and then front seats, no carpet, and then yeah, cage. We got a new turbo for the Subaru. Also gotta tell you guys, it is a VF38 twin scroll JDM turbo. I don't know much about these, to be honest. I just know that it's a cool thing, and I need to spend a lot more money on parts that will work for this, just because it's fucking JDM, not USDM.
Delirious,
so yeah,
from puffing the weed. You wanna be them, but I'm just trying to be me. And gotta try so walk, cause life's so free. Experience is all that we need. Delirious when puffing the weed. You wanna be them, but I'm just trying to be me. And gotta try so walk, cause life's so free. I put my thoughts to the page, a vision in another place. I'm meeting different experiences while I be so awake. Too awake that everyone around me sound asleep. Try to wake them up and you won't even hear a peep. Can tell me where I'm
we're
at.
probably gonna wrap this video up right here. Hope you guys enjoyed that cool little music thing I just did. If you guys are enjoying these videos, please do me a favor. Drop a like, subscribe, share, do anything that you're comfortable doing. Really appreciate it. You guys supporting me helps me be able to come and actually do these things. Gives me a little bit of motivation. Hopefully it's gonna give me some fiscal help too, because once we hit 1,000 subs, I'll be able to monetize these videos and actually make, you know, $6 off one of these videos instead of the thousands I've been spending. So yeah, catch up with you guys later.